first graders. Let's go back and revisit me and my place in space. And you're welcome to go back and watch the video again of the story. But I want to talk a little bit about how incredible it is that we could be standing right here in our school. You typically would be with me, but we can be in several places at one time. Let's see what that looks like just a little bit. Let's start with me. We've got our little circle there. And then we have our school. So I'm going to put BBS for our school. And then we're in our city, which is Chattanooga. Starts with that CH. Ch, ch, ch. And then we're in our state, which is Tennessee. And I'm going to do the abbreviation for Tennessee, which is TN. We're in our state. We're in our country. We're on our continent, which is North America. And then we're on our planet Earth, which I bet you have found out that we're the third planet from the sun, but let's count these rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at 6 places at one time. Unbelievable, but so amazing that God had this wonderful plan. When you come back to school next week with me, we're going to talk a lot about how God makes those planets orbit around the sun and how our seasons happen and our day and our night, and it's so wonderful that God had this amazing plan for a perfect earth for us to live on. Now, me on the map. Let's get this little booklet back out and let's talk about what we've done already. We've done the first page. This is me. We've done the second page. This is a map of my room. We've done the third page. This is a map of my home. Then we did, this is a map of my neighborhood. My neighborhood is in the city of. This is my state. So we're going to draw Tennessee. Now, I recognize that some of you could actually live in Georgia. I just moved across the line from Georgia to Tennessee a few years ago. But you draw your state. If you live in Georgia, if you live in Ringgold or Chickamauga or somewhere like that, you definitely put your state. But I want you to, this will require you to maybe look up what the outline of your state looks like. Draw your state, and I live in, you're going to write it right here. Find out what the capital of Tennessee is. Some of you may already know. And then put a star for the capital, and then it asks you just to put a circle of where you live in Chattanooga. Tennessee is that long state this way, isn't it? The next page says, this is my country. I live in, my state is colored in. And so you're going to put your country right there, United States of America. There's Tennessee, and that's what you would color in. Or unless you lived in Georgia, you color in Georgia. This is my continent. I live on the continent of North America. I think you definitely could do that. And then on the second page, on the next page, it does have your continents there, so that will help you with that page that you just did. And I live on the planet Earth. Let's stop there. Let's don't do the writing part yet. Let's save that for Friday, okay? So we're going to do the next 1, 2, 3, 4, the next 4 pages. That will be fantastic for you to do that. And I think that gets you squared away with your me on the map directions. Talk to you soon.